Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna review this BHA Blackhead Power Liquid from COSRX. I bought this product like 2 months ago, but I haven't reviewed this product because I wanted to use this product as much as I get to know what exactly this product is gonna do on my skin. So yeah, that's why I haven't reviewed this product yet, and now I'm reviewing this product because I feel like I get to know this product. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the ingredients, the texture, and how to use this product and how I felt about this product. So I hope you guys don't miss any of them. And before starting this video, you can find more videos about Korean skincare in this channel, so don't forget to click subscribe button. First of all, let me talk about the ingredients. This product is to remove blackheads, which means naturally this product contains BHA. Let me talk about BHA briefly. BHA gets deep into the pores and cleanses inside the pores. Also, BHA has an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effect, which means this product is also gonna work for your acne. But this product contains 0.9% of BHA, so some of you guys might be thinking like, oh, that's small. But the white willow bark extract is the main ingredient of this product, and this product contains 65% of white willow bark extract. And that white willow bark extract also contains BHA itself, which means practically BHA is contained in this product more than 0.9%, and I don't think that's small proportion. And if you take a look at other ingredients, there are some hydrating ingredients like betaine and niacinamide. So I guess we can call this product as exfoliator that is helpful to hydrate your skin also. And now I'm going to talk about the textures. This product contains sodium hyaluronate, aka hyaluronic acid, which means this product is a little bit slippery and somebody can feel this product a little bit sticky. I felt this product a little bit sticky too, but I like the sticky feeling when it comes to this product because this product doesn't fall down on my nose when I put on this product on my nose. So yeah, so it's easy to leave this product on my nose and just let my skin absorb this product. So yeah, and now I'm going to talk about how to use this product. Basically, this product is to remove blackheads like I said before, so you need to give enough time to this product to be absorbed like sufficiently into your nose, like pores. So I think the best way to use this product is soak the cotton pad with this product and leave the cotton pad on your nose like 10 minutes. So I guess that's the best way to use this product, but when I tried this product in that way, my nose skin is a little bit irritated, yeah. So I don't like to apply this product in that way, but I like to use the only one pump of this product on my nose and leave like 5 minutes and do a shin mask. I mean, of course you guys don't need to do shin mask. I am doing a shin mask only because I do shin mask after I apply toner on my skin, and I am using this power liquid on my nose as a replacement of toner. So that's why I do a shin mask after I put on this shin mask on my face. So if you guys want to use this product, I hope you guys use this product as a replacement of toner and do the rest of you guys' skincare routine. And you guys know that you don't need to wash off your face after apply this product, right? BHA doesn't clog pores, so you can just apply this product on your nose right before go to bed. Just make sure you wash your face the next morning. And now I'm going to talk about how I felt about this product. I've been using this product for 2 months in that way, but actually this product never worked for blackheads on my nose, and this product even caused comedonal acne on my nose several times. I'm not trying to like overjudge this product, I'm just telling you guys how I felt about this product. Anyways, I never saw any review that is saying BHA works so fast for their blackheads, so I keep using this product, but still if I have to get the BHA product again, then I guess I will try another product. Yeah, I heard that the COSRX products are good to acne-prone skin, but as a person who have a lot of blackheads, this product is, I cannot say this product is good to blackheads. It might work for you, but it never worked for blackheads on my skin, even though I am trying this product on a daily basis. So I guess this product can suppress the growth of blackheads on my nose, but if you expect some drastic effects, then you guys might be disappointed. So today's video is done here, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. And don't forget to click subscribe button and like button hopefully. And see you.